Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the Chef's Kitchen.
Welcome to the Chef's Kitchen. I'm your host, Nicole Gaffney, and we're here today with Chef Michael Solomonov. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
It's always great to have you here. What are we making today?
Okay, so what we're gonna make is lamb shawarma. So what we like to do is we like to get the essence of the street food to the home.
So what are you doing? You're trimming this up?
So what I'm doing is basically I'm opening it up and I'm trimming it up. And the reason I'm doing that is to get like some of the unnecessary pieces of fat. So we're just gonna do this, and we want it to get it to sort of like something that is a little bit more flat. And then what we're gonna do is take our spices. We've got garlic, onion, paprika, cayenne, and sumac. What we wanna do is draw out some of the moisture, and we wanna really permeate the spices, so when you get into the center of the lamb roast or the shawarma, you're really getting a bite that is like super flavorful.
And this recipe is in your new cookbook, which
This is.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
It's a big deal.
What we wanted to do was go to Israel and just eat and just shoot. And we were there for 8 days and had 82 meals. We let this cure overnight in the fridge. We're just gonna roll it up like this.
So just regular old butcher's twine.
Roll it around.
Okay.
And then you pull it and it sort of self-tightens. And we're just gonna throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for like 2 hours.
So that's what it looks like when it's done cooking.
And that is. What I like to also do is let this rest, chill it, and then shave it with a knife, and then crisp it in a pan, and you get the sort of like shawarma.
Like a cheesesteak almost.
I was just gonna say, like an Israeli cheesesteak. And then we can start to assemble a little bit. So I'm gonna chop up just a little bit of cucumber and tomato. What do you like? You like a little tahina on yours?
Hook it up, I like everything.
So amba, tahina. Next to it is called
I like how you said it right there.
madbucha. Yeah, I've got just listing things that nobody's going to be able to pronounce.
How do you keep that together?
Well, normally you don't put as much as I do in there, but since you're VIP, you know, so we'll just go like this.
All right, I'm ready to dig in. Are you?
So,
all right, cheers.
Cheers, l'chaim. No words, but really, it's delicious.
I really don't have any words.
It's good.
The amount of flavor going on here is crazy.
To see today's recipe and all of the recipes featured on the Chef's Kitchen, log on to chefskitchen.tv.